Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we break down and review the latest gadgets and gear so you can shop smart. Today, we're diving into a super handy accessory kit made specifically for Nintendo 3DS XL and LL owners. Whether you're just picking up a used console or looking to breathe some new life into your handheld, this 3-in-1 accessories kit might just be what you need. Let's kick things off with what you actually get in the box. Inside this kit, you're getting 3 essentials: a clear hard shell case, 2 types of screen protectors, 1 tempered glass and 1 PET film, and a pack of 4 replacement stylus pens in different colors. It's a simple bundle, but if you own a 3DS XL or LL, you know these are the exact things that wear out or get lost over time. First up, the clear hard case. It's slim, it's lightweight, but don't let that fool you, it's actually pretty durable. It snaps on easily around your console, giving you solid protection against scratches, dust, and those occasional drops. What I liked most is that it doesn't get in the way. You've got full access to all your buttons, cartridge slot, charging port, nothing's blocked or cramped. And being clear, it shows off the original design of your 3DS, which is a bonus if you've got a limited edition or a color you like showing off. Moving on to screen protection. The kit includes not 1, but 2 screen protectors. For the top screen, you get tempered glass. It's high transparency, smooth to the touch, and surprisingly responsive. It doesn't interfere with gameplay at all, and it resists fingerprints and minor scratches really well. For the bottom screen, which is the one you actually touch the most during gameplay, you get an HD PET film. It's a soft protector but feels very natural with the stylus, which makes sense given the resistive touchscreen. Installation is straightforward and the kit comes with cleaning tools to make the process mess-free. If you've ever struggled with bubbles or dust under screen protectors, you'll appreciate the prep kit they include here. Now let's talk styluses. We all know how easy it is to misplace the original stylus, and finding the right size replacement can be frustrating. This kit includes 4 stylus pens that fit directly into the 3DS XL's storage slot. They're color-coded, red, blue, black, and white, and have a smooth finish that feels comfortable during longer sessions. They slide in and out of the console without any wiggle, and they're slightly thicker than the original, which might actually be a positive for some people. This whole kit is made specifically for the 3DS XL and LL models, and it really shows. The fit of the case, the screen protector sizes, the stylus dimensions, everything is tailored for those versions. If you're using a regular 3DS or a new 3DS XL, make sure you're getting the right version of this kit because they're not interchangeable. Installation takes just a few minutes. Snap the case on, apply the screen protectors, pop in your stylus, and you're ready to go. And if you ever run into issues, the product listing notes that support is available and the seller's open to helping out. So who is this kit for? Honestly, anyone who owns a 3DS XL or LL. Honestly, anyone who owns a 3DS XL or LL. Whether you're picking up a secondhand unit or you've had yours for years and just want to protect it a bit better, this kit adds real value. It's not flashy, but it's functional, and it covers the exact things that matter. Protecting your console and keeping your gameplay experience smooth. That's going to wrap it up for today's video. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and consider subscribing to Product Critique for more deep dives just like this. And if you've used this kit yourself, drop a comment below and let us know what your experience was like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.